The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply go ahead and open my settings right here. After you open up your phone settings, scroll down and make sure you go to privacy. Then from privacy right here, scroll down, and then go to special permissions. Then right here, go to Wi-Fi control. Under the Wi-Fi control, you see all apps that are having access to your Wi-Fi control. And at the same time, you can be spy, and at the same time, your data can be drained in the background. So what you need to do right here is to review and then disallow some of the app right here. So for that, I'm going to choose Amazon Shopping right here. What I'm going to do right here is to disable the Wi-Fi control that I have it on my Android phone. So you can go back here and then you can review as many as possible app right here that have access to your Wi-Fi control. So I'm going to select my boom bag right here because I do not use it most time. So I'm going to turn it off. It's that simple. For more tutorial about privacy tips and tricks on Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.